dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivian B here. So you guys could see I have this bomb curly hair, and I just want to tell you guys about this bomb hair. Like, girl, first of all, this is a closure. I know it's giving you frontal vibes, you know. Baby hair's on fleek, hair on flat. But let's get into this wig because you guys have to get into this wig. So this hair is from WESTKISS hair. This is a 6x6 26-inch deep curly deep wave. I said deep curly, deep wave, 180 density wig. It's pretty nice. Like, I like my wigs not too full, but like enough for me. Like, let me show you guys the back. It's just enough. Like, I don't like too much hair, especially with curly hair, because when this dries up it tends to get a little bigger. So like, your best bet is to get a 180, or you can go one step higher. Let's get into this install. This is gonna be a glued install using goat glue. So WESTKISS, they sent me a hair wrap. I have so much of these, you guys have no idea. With cap. What else? They gave me their bag. I literally have so much of these bags too, because before when I first started doing hair, I used to always get my hair from WESTKISS hair. So like, I have so much of these bags. And they have like a hair care tip, so like how to take care of your wigs and stuff. So let's get into this installation.
What you guys are going to see me do is that I'm going to wipe down my hairline, where I'm going to apply the glue with 91% alcohol just so it could stick. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to use my skin guard, my skin protectant from Bohold. You guys can find that on their website. And I'm just going to do only one layer just to protect my skin, because my skin is pretty sensitive.
Baby, it's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear a suit and tie and I will wear my satin.
So when I put the hair away from my face with my tooth clips, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start showing you guys what I use to apply my glue. This is the goat glue. I heard it's the truth, so we have to really see if it's the truth in this video.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there.
With the gluing process, I only use 2 layers, 2 really thin layers. This is my first layer, and I'm gonna let you guys know when my second layer comes up.
Forget the time, 'cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, 'cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that...
Then this is when I went ahead and I applied layer number 2, and I made sure it's really thin, because you really don't need that much glue. I heard this glue really sticks on, so yeah.
Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah. All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand. Now, baby, why don't you take me back now? Everything at your fingertips.
I went on my blow dryer so I could make sure that the glue is completely dried before I placed my lace directly on the glue.
Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin.
So I went ahead and I placed my lace right on the glue carefully. You don't want to just throw it anywhere. You want to make sure you really put it where you need to put it. So I went back in with light concealer just to define my part and make sure it's really straight. I love my straight parts. Don't go in with too much concealer. I see a lot of people and they make it look so sharp. It's like a super sharp line and it doesn't blend. You want it to just look as natural as possible, but you want it to still be defined.
Take me back to Manhattan. Soundstripe. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go.
Alright, y'all, so I don't really do the whole crazy baby hairs thing because I'm not really a big fan of baby hairs, but this is curly hair. So with curly hair, I have to go crazy with the baby hairs, but this is not really crazy. This is just like 3 baby hairs, you know, but this is still crazy to me because I don't even do this much. But I went ahead and I used my Got To Be glue. I said Gorilla Snot. Oh my gosh. My Got To Be glue. I should use foam. I normally use foam, but I just wanted to use the Got To Be glue instead.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there. Yeah. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Broadway and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time.
So this is the best part of this video, defining my curls. A lot of people don't know how to properly define their curls, and I'm gonna show you guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is I went in with water, then I'm gonna go in with foam. Foam is your best friend. Foam is better than leave-in conditioner to me. I don't know why, but I love foam better than leave-in conditioner with curly hair. So yeah, I just put a lot of foam on, just saturate it, and I just brush through it. And it really just defines the curls and it looks so good. I mean, deep conditioner, it's a deep conditioner. Leave-in conditioner might not be bad, but I prefer foam. So what I did on one side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do to the opposite side.
All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand now, baby. Why don't you take me back now? Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, la 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 la. NYC, baby. Come on. La 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 la. La 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 la. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Manhattan, baby. Take me back to Manhattan. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go.
Guys, so this was the finishing look. I am in love. I love this install so much. I love this hair so much. It's so cute. It's so easy to go. It's not anything complicated. Oh my god, yes. This is like a nice summertime look too, by the way. But thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.